Hey, good morning everybody, it's Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. We are at a house wash here this morning. It's our second job today, but just thought I'd walk you around and show you this one. So this homeowner received a letter from the HOA for getting everything cleaned up in the front of the house. We'll walk around and show you what it is. It's that season right now with the HOAs, so let's take a look. Driveway, you can see the black starting to grow on that. Really nice two-story house. I don't know if you can see that on the camera or not, but there's a lot of green algae growth on the upper windows. And yeah, it might show up a little bit better. And then of course down here in the driveway, got a lot of black walkway, black and green mold and algae growing, and the same way with the front walkway. You'll probably see it a little bit better in here. All right, well, that's our project on this one. Let's get moving. All right, so we're all wrapped up here. We'll walk you around and show you the final results. Driveway's nice and clean and bright. All that green algae is all gone. Walkway going up to the front door. Yeah, so much better. We always do the patio furniture when we do these front areas. So okay, so that's a wrap for this one. We will see you at the next job.